Hello again, guys. Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture. I hope that you liked our first videos and our first lectures. Now I want to talk to you about a topic that I found to be very important, and it's practically the main reason why people that have an expertise or a passion or something like that don't actually end up creating an online course. And I want to talk to you about false objections or misperceptions that people have regarding creating and publishing and making money out of online courses. So just take a look at the following objections, and practically you will see that they are false objections. They practically are fears that actually don't exist in reality, and you can overcome them very easily. So watch with careful attention, with close attention in the next couple of minutes the screen and the objections, and you will see that you have nothing to worry about. So just go on with your journey on creating your first online course. So guys, let's go now through the most common false objections and obstacles that people face or have in their minds. You will see that practically these are things that you can overcome very easily, and exactly as the title states here on the slide, practically these are fears that we treat as false objections and obstacles, but we can actually pass through them very easily. So let's see which are these common objections that most of the people, when wanting to create an online course or launching an informational product, have. So the first one is, I don't know or don't have what to teach, which is absolutely false. And why is that? Because you probably, like any other human on planet Earth, have a passion, a hobby, a skill, or experience in something. Either if we are talking about your job, or you went through a business, or you have a hobby to which you dedicated a lot of time to study and understand, or a skill that you wanted to develop a long time, or a passion for dancing, for example, you have something to teach to other people, because most of the people do not know what you know in that niche. So the main rule that you should remember all the time when you want to create an informational product or online course is this: when you have knowledge in something with at least 1% more than most of the people, someone will be willing to pay you to learn from you. Why? Because most of the people that are into that niche do not know the things that you know and want to learn from you. They see you like an authority because you know things that they do not know. So always remember that 1% more is enough to get started, and enough than anything else. Okay, so you don't have to be the best expert in the world, the largest guru in the world, the biggest guru in the world in your niche. You just have to know with 1% more. So this was the first objection. Let's go to the next one. I don't have any experience with online teaching or teaching people at all, like in a physical classroom. This is also a false objection. Though it's more better argumented than the first one, it's also false. Nobody is born with experience in anything. You can learn anything if you want to. The main rule for online courses is to teach people something that is applicable, like a step-by-step guide towards achieving results in something. And you most probably know how to do that in the niche you are passionate about, or you are experienced, or you have a skill or a hobby. So that's how you need to think about it. It's even easier than having a course in a physical classroom, okay, having a live course. So online teaching is all about giving people the means to get to results very fast. So that's what you need to do in your online courses, and you will learn how to do it better and better along the way. But you need to start from somewhere, because nobody has experience in the beginning in any niche, especially in teaching other people. Let's go to the next objection. I don't have any money to invest in a course or building a website. Again, a false objection. You can start this type of business, but you probably didn't know that. So it's a false objection, but you didn't know why it's a false objection. Because you can start this business with what you already have. That means your computer, your laptop, and a headset or a mic if you have one. Okay, that's everything that you need. You don't need anything else. Apply the MVP rule. What is an MVP? Minimal viable product. That means create a minimal viable product that can be launched into the marketplace, get your feedback from your customers, okay, from the people that actually buy your first product, your minimal viable product, or to which you give for free, especially to get feedback, and improve it afterwards, make it better. But take action. That's the most important thing. Launch a product in the marketplace and see what happens. That's how you test things. That's how marketing works, okay? A lot by testing. Then the next one, I don't have the time to do it. A lot of people, I think this is the most common argument in anything on planet Earth for any opportunity. I don't have the time to do it. It's false. It has already been proven that people make time for what they consider to be important. So if you will take seriously this business with online courses, you will make time for it, because most of the people start this like a sidekick or start it like a part-time. So you can make time in the evenings, in the weekends, or in your days off if you really want to do this. Believe me, it's definitely worth it. Most of the best online instructors I know started this part-time or as a sidekick, and now they are doing it full-time as a real business that makes them passive income every month. Now, another one. I don't have the special equipment, or I don't know how to use the softwares that I need. No problem. Again, it's a false objection. You can start with what you have, and also you can get free softwares to help you, exactly as we've specified before. So, like with everything else in life, you can learn to do something if you want to. Nowadays, softwares are very user-friendly and easy to learn, and you already have the basic equipment to start with. The laptop, the headset, if you remember, or a mic, and that's everything you need. You can find the free softwares that you can use for screen recording and audio recording out there on the internet. Also, you can use Windows Live Movie Maker to edit your videos and so on, but we will talk more about that in our future lectures. That was all, guys. So I hope that I've helped you to overcome these fears and false objections that are the most common, and that most of the people, probably more than 90%, have. And as you have seen, these are obstacles that you can overcome very easily, and practically there are false fears that we have in our minds. But if you take action, things will happen. Thank you very much for your attention, and I will see you guys in our next